Hello students, how are you? I hope that you are fine and happy. It's me again, Teacher Didit, and today we are going to review our last materials, which is farm animals. Okay, do you still remember farm animals that we learned last week? Can you see in the pictures what are these animals? What is this? Good job, it's duck. Okay, what about this one? Yes, it is a cow. Good job. What about this? Goat. Good job, students. The last one. Yes, horse. Great. So today we are going to review our materials, which is about farm animals. I'm sure you know these animals already. Okay, so this one is a cow, and then horse, a horse, a duck. Yes, this is a duck. This is a goat. Good job. This is a goat. What about this pinky animal? What's this? Great, it's a pig. Okay, so we have cow, horse, duck, goat, and pig. Okay, you still remember that. Okay, now we're going to move on. Some more animals that we learn. Okay, so these are more animals in the farm that you can find. We have rabbit. Okay, we have rabbits. Repeat after teacher. Rabbit. Great. And then we have chicken. Chicken. Great job. And then dog. Dog. Great. Okay, so you still remember all of the animals. Right. Also, we will learn about this. First of all, we have a horse, two horses, a pig, three pigs, okay, a goat. How many goats are there? One, two, three, four. Okay, four goats. Great. Okay, so if you have one animal, you put a before the name of the animal. If you have more than one animals, you put S after the name of the animals. Okay, next one. Right. Wow, this one, what animal are this? Okay, we have a cow. And how many cows are these? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, five cows. Okay, good. What about this? A duck. How many ducks are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six ducks. Okay, great. What about this one? A chicken. How many chicken are there? One, two, three. So you say three chickens. You put S at the back. All right. Now we're going to move on the sentences that we can use to talk about animals. Okay. Look. Listen to teacher. We have I have a dog. For me, for I. Okay, myself. I have a dog. Why we put a? Because there is only one dog. Okay, I have a dog. Great. Repeat after teacher. I have a dog. Great. Now, what does he have? What does he have? And then he answered, he has a dog. This kid is talking about this, the one who has a dog. So he said he has a dog. Okay, he is for a boy and she is for a girl. Okay, let's repeat. This girl, I have a cow. This is the cow. Why we put a cow here? Why we put a? Because there is only one cow. Okay, so we said I have a cow. Okay, now I ask you, what does she have? She has a cow. This boy is talking about the girl. She is for a girl, has a cow. This is the cow. Okay? She has a cow. All right. Okay, now we're going to practice. Also, this is your homework, so pay more attention on this part. Okay. Right. What does he have? What does he have? The answer is he has a cow. He has a cow. How many cow? Only one. Okay, good. Next one. All right. What does she has? What does she have? She has a goat. She has a goat. Okay, good. What does she have? Great. Okay, next. Now, what does he have? What does he have? He has a duck. He has a duck. Okay, great. Nice. Next one. Right. What does he have? What does he have? He has a dog. Very good. He has a dog. Good job, everybody. Now, the next one. All right, look at this girl. Okay, what does she have? What does she have? Yes, she has a pig. She has a pig. Okay, great. Now the last one. What does he have? What does he have? He has a horse. He has a horse. Okay, great. All right, so that was the practice for our meeting. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to make a video. When you watch this video, okay, so I will ask you and then you will answer the question. Okay, what does he have? What does he have? Good job. Now, are you ready, number 2? What does she have? What does she have? Good job. Okay. Now, what does he have? What does he have? Great. Next one. What does he have? What does he have? Excellent. Okay, the next one. What does she have? What does she have? Great. Great job. Okay, the next one. What does he have? What does he have? Good job. The last one. That was the last one. So your job is to make a video and send it to the line group. Thank you very much for your attention. See you again next time. Bye bye.